My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the home of the 5 minute or less video. I don't want to bore you, and I'm going to give you everything you need to know. These videos are meant to be very informative and educational, so you can make decisions or hear things you probably haven't done, because I'm going to be speaking like an IRS agent. I don't do any promotion here. If you want me to represent you, I can, or give you a consultation, I can. I've worked 10,000 cases total in my life. I've been on Fox, ABC, all the major stations. I've just been doing this a long time. I think I've been doing it 50 years, believe it or not. So today I want to talk to you and educate you, inform you about what happens when you die and you have assets and you owe tax. So let's look at those. You're dead, you owe tax, and you have assets. What's going to happen? I'm going to give you a real quick example of a situation that I had so you know what IRS would do in this situation. His father, single father, older man, dies. He has three muscle cars, nice muscle cars, that he restored and he had in his garage. I don't think his body was actually cold yet, and the kids came over. This four of the sons came over, and they somehow divided these up, and they each took one of the muscle cars. They're the least amount one of them may have been worth was 65,000. These were really nice cars. Guy winds up owing about $200,000 in tax. Next thing you know, the kids take the cars, they put them in their name, and then all of a sudden, the tax bill comes out. The case gets assigned to a local revenue officer to collect the money. So here's the situation. Guy's dead. Kids have reassigned the um, the uh, the cars to their name. So what's going to happen? The revenue officer is going to go out, and the revenue officer is going to go ahead and take the assets from the kids, because the kids made a fraudulent transfer that they never should have made from the father and or the estate, even though the estate wasn't filed. And IRS went ahead and actually took the cars back and sold them. One of the sons, I don't know how it ended. I think one of the sons went ahead and got a valuation for the car. I think the car was about $75,000, wrote a check and gave it to the IRS, because IRS, rather than seize and sell the car, would take the check in lieu of, as long as it was fair market value. So understand this, that you need to know this specifically. If you owe tax and you have assets, an IRS is going to come out and they're going to explore the assets you had at your time of death. And they have different provisions and different suits they can file, and different situations that they have and can create to go ahead to get the assets and pay the tax back. So just because you owe tax and you're dead does not mean IRS is not going to collect the money. In fact, they are. You need representation, you call me. You like this video, go ahead and subscribe, hit that bell. The only reason like we need subscriptions is it lets YouTube know that, yeah, these are good videos. If not, I wouldn't need to do that. So by the way, if you want me to make a YouTube on something, leave a comment. I'm happy to do this. Once again, my name is Mike Sullivan. If you need me, here I am. Thank you.